Annyeonghaseyo, high school students.
Annyeonghaseyo, teacher Nina.
So earlier during our monthly live event, So Yung Philname gave all students our area snacks, ice cream, and soft drinks, and bread. And mo na siya inyong bahin. So namoy snacks, namoy bread. Show me your bread. Yan na amoy ice cream. Show me your ice cream. Snacks. Crackers and biscuits. And that is all from So Yung Philname.
So Yung Philname. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. So Yung Philname. Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo, teacher Nina.
Earlier, during our monthly live event, there are 6 sponsors who provided foods, snacks, and pizza for all students. These are the sponsors' name. Repeat after me. Ihojinim.
Ihojinim.
Ichanggunim.
Ichanggunim.
Tiotinim.
Tiotinim.
Uduilnim.
Uduilnim.
Blunim.
Blunim.
And Urachachanim. Kamsahamnida. Okay, so Urachachanim gave all students pizza, and the 5 sponsors, Ihojinim, Ichanggunim, Tiotinim, Uduilnim, Blunim, they provided snacks, soft drinks, and as well as the chocks to go. Katong gimukbang ninyo. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
So the students are now eating pizza. Lame!
Lame!
Kamsahamnida, Urachachanim. Kamsahamnida. Unsa na nagibitay day? Kakinsa na? Kim?
Ikaw na nagsuot.
Kamsahamnida, Urachachanim. Athena. Lame. Hi.
Hello.
Lame. Kamsahamnida, Urachachanim. For the pizza. Kamusta man mo diha? Lami, Shaira, Riza, and Ninya May. Pizza. Oh, din ni Shaira. Ayaw naman ni. Oh, Shaira. Ano si kagatawa, ha? Shaira. Angel's best friend. And over here, Elna, Nelji, Shane Me, Joffy, and Jenny. Lami, Jenny? Pakita ako nukos lami. Di, lamian mi. Saan pagkaon ng pizza? Saan pagmukbang? Sige. This is Sige, tarong nga ba? So, this is how you eat pizza by Jenny. Sige. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Di pa lupig si asa man ko. So the student. Okay, group 3. Saan pag-outfit siya? Saan pag-outfit siya? Dali, sige. Saan pag-outfit siya? The students are so happy. Kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida, Ihojinim, Ichanggunim, Tiotinim, Uduilnim, Bluenim, and Urachachanim. Kamsahamnida. The students are so happy. Nagmukbang sila sa study room. Yan napagin sila bring home. Shana best day ever, Eunice? Oh, Eunice said it's her best day ever. Thank you so much. Gipaningot na si Samantha. Samantha is sweating. Eat more. Eat more. More. Happy? Show me your... Okay. Sige, once again! Bye-bye! Bye!
Dolwinil. 안녕하세요, Jeril. Okay, so Udolwilnim gives you 500 for groceries. Okay, choose na lang. Choose na. Buta lang dira. Joy lang, Nescafe. Out, Nescafe tang.
Mana tong sari-sari? Oh, asa naman mo?
Sige. Sagasa. Kanilang. Kanin listo. Oh, kanin. Kopiko, Milo. Saman. Udolwilnim, kamsahamnida for Jeril. Sige, annyeonghaseyo students. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so Angel, kinsa may nagatag sa imong grocery? Ay. Kim? Okay, you can choose na. Pila man? Sige, pag-cook lang dala. Hindi. Sige. Masa man mo hatang? Gani. Okay. Dilata, century. Tulo katang.
Sure.
Naa. Ang solar. Okay, sa so, yung kuha. Joy. Na. Suka. Ito to suka. Dili mo itong suka. Kopiko. Oh. Wala rin na ito ilawang pinalawman. Kani? Ada yang Na. Baon nyo sa eskwelahan, kanitaps, pajibor. Oh, dilata.
Hindi ka magwag ng kinilan.
Kani mga bamulgam.
Yes,